of y'all who got touched.
Hey, Tay
Little ass
Dog, you hear
boy.
me?
Okay, so stop
Yeah.
talking to him when they say shit like that. We ain't on that, bro. I just talk about shit,
Little
miscellaneous
ass
shit. We
boy.
ain't doing that.
Little ass
Little
boy,
ass
man.
boys be the city. You hear me? The city.
You ain't spank shit, so
Hell nah.
right.
Hell
Just
nah, then. You
just a bunch of clubhouse woofing.
you
That's
know
it.
it.
Couple PTRs.
I'm just like you, big bro.
Hey, Dace,
You
you
ain't
hear me?
not like me.
Yo,
Hey, remember I called you the other day? I told we need that.
man, you know what's going on.
Homie, we need that.
Yeah.
You talking about a couple PTRs? That's because y'all don't be on y'all block.
Man,
Hey, listen, and I don't do no miscellaneous shit. He said fuck Gucci.
I don't
I
give
was
no
there
fuck.
5 minutes.
What you do? You ain't did shit to us.
5 minutes,
Fuck.
black.
You study
5 minutes.
all that woofing.
Anybody in here say fuck Gucci, you gonna see me this summer. You
Fuck.
hear me?
Fuck Gucci. Fuck.
Jack,
Goof
I
ass.
love you too, my heart.
Fuck.
His ass in the crib laying down.
Jack. Hey, his baby got popped the fuck up. He ain't did shit.
They
Hey
hit a
gang.
button, don't it? They hit a
Who
button
baby
for
dad?
sure.
Uh,
They definitely
uh,
hit a button.
Yeah.
Kaka got fucked over to the motherland. You did nothing.
They hit a button.
Hey,
Motherland.
T, let me get a wood, bro.
That shit don't hurt. You ain't did shit to
I know. I
nobody.
ain't did shit to nobody
You just a
ever. You
bunch of
right.
woofing.
You
That's all
right.
you been
I never
doing.
threw a rock at nobody.
Right.
On
So stop
Kaka.
talking.
On Kaka.
Right. Stop talking.
Oh, it. Oh, it.
But you
I bet you
crying
don't want to
about
see
your
me.
homie. Get your bitch ass out of here.
I ain't
Crying.
cry about him.
Yes,
I
you
pull
is.
up
You
on niggas
crying.
about him. You see
You
my
crying.
PTI?
Be able to take that same shit
You
you
see
dishing
my
out.
PTI? I don't cry
Fuck
about him.
wrong
You
with
see what I
you?
do
Why I
about him?
open this man baby for?
Stop whining.
Hey, you see what I do about him?
Shit.
I pull
I
up,
open this man
nigga.
Bitch ass little
baby.
boy.
I pull up
Zero.
on niggas.
Fuck.
I know I'm a little boy, so why you don't ever pop out?
Zero.
Your ass ain't on
You heard
shit.
what you just said. The last time you talked to me was last year when you told me to
You
pop
was
out
a
on the
little
P. What I
Fuck
boy.
do?
that over.
Listen,
You
I was
want
in
to
a
be
room
Fuck
full of
that
known. You
over.
want
moles.
to be known.
Somebody finna get it. Listen, I was in a room full of moles. I PTI myself on Princeton by myself. Why nobody came through there?
A bullet.
You
Oh.
stay on the block like
I
you
know
Your
bro.
baby
I'm
ain't even had
always
no
on this
stay
birthday.
your
bitch.
goofy ass in the crib.
I'm always on the
Damn.
block. I
Fuck.
know.
Little ass boy,
His
man.
baby
You
ain't
Little
ain't
even
ass
had
on
no
boy.
shit.
birthday.
I
You
be
ain't did
spinning your
shit to
block.
my block. Ain't nobody
I,
looking for you.
hey,
You
on
not
my grandma,
important.
nobody be on that block.
You not important.
On my granny, nobody
Fuck.
be on that block. On
You
Jesus,
not
nobody be
important.
through the town.
Fuck.
Period. On Jesus Christ, nigga. Fuck you talking
Man.
about.
All that
And can't
about.
nobody here vouch they be on their block is on my grandma spin
Man,
that bitch.
now you so tough. You done spent
I'm just
every
letting the
block.
facts be known.
Man, sit your
On a
goofy
holy
ass down.
Bible, nobody in the town post up about a liquor store. Behind the house about a liquor store. Look, nobody be outside at 12 protect y'all. So stop the
Don't
map.
nobody be
On
outside
Gucci
by the
grave,
liquor
I flipped the
store.
whole town, nigga. Fuck you talking about.
Y'all looking for some clucks.
Bro, you talking
We
about
looking
some
for
clout. I
you,
ain't been on this
bitch.
app in a year, blood. Y'all gonna be saying fuck Gucci and shit, gang. That's the only reason I'm really
Fuck.
back on this shit. That shit, I don't play
Man,
that type of shit.
Hey DJ, you only say
that
let me
was
shut up,
goofy.
DJ. Oh, Chief Keita.
Fuck.
You crazy.
All right, come on. It been a whole year. You
Hey,
still
look,
on
Twan,
this
look at that
app,
kill on my
blood.
PTR. You hear that?
Hey,
You feel,
Daysky.
Fuck
yo,
Stro.
Who baby died?
Good shit.
Y'all see
Hey,
the
on
video
Stone.
oh,
too.
he
Hey,
got
Lil
popped up.
Mouse.
Slap the shit
Lil
out of
Mouse
Stro.
still don't get
Who
enough,
baby
do it.
died?
No, he got popped the fuck up.
Hey, you hear me, nephew?
Yeah.
Lil Mouse
YG.
still don't get enough.
Who got popped up?
They talking about your son, YG. Somebody he got popped up.
Man, knock it off.
All right, that's why I be trying to tell you, YG. You can't, man, stop listening to them.
Knock it off. Fuck.
All right, what about Kaka?
What about him?
DOA.
Look
Yeah,
at
yeah. What about who?
What
YG
about
talking
him?
like, man,
All
that
right,
shit don't
so what? All
phase
right, so what
me.
about Lil Mouse?
It's man, that
What
shit. He
about
get
him?
shot.
What
Lil
about
Mouse, Lil
Dika?
Mouse
Now,
was sucking
Fuck
his
What
mom
about
dick.
y'all.
Dika?
Y'all talking and ain't
Free
did shit
What
to
Sparker.
about
nobody.
what about Dika? What
Free
about
Look,
Dika?
Sparker.
Don't ask me
Lil
about
Mouse was
nobody
sucking
you
his
ain't
own
touched.
dick.
You
you was
keep
sucking
saying
your
that. You
dick.
ain't come on your block, nigga.
That was
Yeah.
Ask
woofing.
Lil Mouse what happened last time he
What
seen
happened
you.
about you last night?
What happened
He
last
said the
night?
same
You
shit a
ain't come
year ago.
outside, nigga. Look at my PTR.
You did this a
Damn,
year
ask
ago.
OD Daisy.
PTR. Y'all
Get
did
out.
Nigga,
this
we
shit about
playing
a year
laser
ago.
tag on your block, nigga.
Like,
You bitch
man,
ass nigga.
Man,
knock it
your ass
off.
by the truck stop.
All
Oh
y'all
my,
want to do is
Yeah,
take
I'm done
pictures
talking
of
If
to
the
you
you.
don't
chat.
need it,
Fuck.
I'm done talking to you, Mo.
You
Oh
ain't talking
yeah.
about tonight though. Come out tonight.
Nah, I'm scared. Ain't no shit.
Why you know that?
I'm in here later with my lady. I'm chilling.
That ain't your lady.
I'm chilling. Man, I have phone up.
Duggo.
Fuck Kelly in front of your kids. Shut up, bitch.
And I'll fuck her in front of you.
That's your girl, so I watch.
Man, chief.
Go ahead, put the face down, link up. Go ahead, fuck it in front of everybody.
I did, brother.
Y'all
Hey,
are
yeah,
some
OB, we
bitties.
could Wolf. We ain't doing no more dissing, all right?
Man, fuck you.
OB,
I don't even
oh
like
my.
on Stone. I ain't even fuck with you no
Hey,
more,
you
Jason.
you hear me?
And on
Oh,
Stone, Tay Dog just in this bitch on Stone talking about he finna, man.
yeah, he got on my ass, blood. But I
Man,
told
that
Hey,
him
man
no.
Tay
said he
Dog,
finna
he
get on
wrote
your
the
ass.
Man,
switch.
you just, hey, OB, you
I
told
He
him
don't
to
wrote
want to
go
with
ahead
the
and
shit
shit,
send
else
Tay
that
on
shit.
Dog.
Tay Dog.
Bro, Tay Dog got on my ass, bro. He told
No,
me
he
to
ain't
Man,
get
get.
on no ass,
how can
man.
I
You
get on his ass for some shit he ain't do, OB?
Man, that man got on his ass. You talking about you was getting on his ass, man.
Man, you say he ain't said, OB.
Say you
How the
finna
fuck he get on
call
his ass?
him and all this, and man, I don't want to hear that shit.
Oh my God, man.
Yeah, man, you the little brother, man. You
He
taste.
told that you told him fuck his homie, OB. What the fuck you
Yep,
think he
he
gonna say
told me
after that?
fuck mine.
I said that, OB. Oh
He
my
ain't
god.
Don't
said.
matter. You was
His,
Now
with
it
him
don't matter.
when he
You, hey,
said
look,
OB,
you.
you not
You was
look,
with
righteous,
that
his
Mo.
bitch
homie,
ass nigga when
look,
he said it.
On
his homie said
God,
that
you
to
not
you.
righteous,
You said
Mo.
that to him, OB.
Man, you guilty by affiliation,
You
just like
ain't
I am.
righteous, Mo. You not righteous, Mo.
Man, that shit don't
That's
sound
what
right,
y'all
OB.
been thinking. That's what y'all been saying.
Nah, yeah.
I don't want to hear that shit.
Hey, look
Tay
at my
Dog.
PTR, though, OB.
I
His
don't
homie
want to
said
see it.
that, and you said
Look at
that
my
to him,
PTR,
OB.
though, OB.
You hot as
Fuck
hell for
your
that, OB.
PTR. You
I'm
ain't
on your
scored
Hey,
shit
shit.
with a
Ammo, the
violin,
G
bitch
gon'
ass
add me
nigga.
back, Ammo.
You ain't scored shit that night.
I'm
You
on
went
your
out there
block
and
with a
take a picture.
violin, nigga. Finna have a performance with your bitch
You
ass.
went out there and took a
Go
picture,
add me
man.
back.
Cause you went outside.
You went out there and took a picture.
Hey, on God, we walked around for like 5 or 10
Man, you
minutes.
almost made me say fuck them.
Hey, you hear me, OB? We spent that bitch like fuck it. We
Hey,
gonna
hey,
take a
hey,
picture.
more.
You always talking about Lil Miles. Get off his
What?
dick.
Fuck
What
Lil
you
Mouse
doing?
and you.
Niggas be
What?
wanting to be I said, like where you me at? so bad.
Lil Mouse a
Huh?
fan.
Tell me where you at?
Where you at, man? Oh, what?
I'm gonna show you something. Watch.
Where
You
you
gonna
at
keep
is
playing
crazy.
around
I
with me,
bet Lil
watch.
Hey,
Mouse gonna
up.
come on Stone. I bet he come won't come fuck doing that fucking playing
You
with me
heard me,
again.
more?
Hey, you gonna keep playing with Lil Miles. We gonna
What
come
you
show your
say?
bitch ass something.
I said,
Come on,
hey,
Stone.
up.
This
What's
time on Stone,
on?
I'm gonna let him
Hey.
choke on dick.
Hey, follow me back on IG.
You ain't gonna do shit.
Alright.
Word from the trenches, girl.
You be scary throwing bitch ass nigga.
I'm dead.
Throwing rocks and going high, nigga. That ain't getting wild.
Boy, that
Hey,
man Lil
hey,
Mouse, man, that
hey,
Lil
Daisy.
Mouse, that boy Lil Mouse say it was 8 of
Hey, Daisy.
y'all.
Yo,
Hey, Gin a bitch too.
yeah, my
Stop
boy getting
saying
a
my
bitch.
name,
Again,
boy.
again, been a bitch.
Nah, you ain't gonna get it to me like that. My boy getting
Stop
no
saying
bitch.
my Come name, on. bro.
Oh,
Motherfucker gonna put Gin dick in the dirt.
oh,
Ain't
oh,
nobody never did
now
shit
you
again.
again,
Stop
50.
saying his
Man, get out
name.
of here,
I ain't
man.
never like that bitch, OB. Ain't nobody never did
Look
shit again.
again.
Stop You a saying his bitch. Nobody name. even
You
know
on
you.
Stone. You getting a boy be at the center
Damn.
on Stone eating grapes.
Ain't nobody never did shit again. Hey, hey, AOB, they be seeing me. They just gonna tell y'all.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What they be seeing you?
I
They
knew
be
it was something
seeing
like
me.
that.
Put it on
Hey, I got a
Shondell,
lot
they
of
be seeing
informants
you.
through the town.
Huh?
I knew it was something
On
I got
like
a lot
that.
of
Shondell, they be
informants through
seeing
that
you.
bitch.
On what?
You know that OB. Am I
On
lying?
Shondell
Yeah,
did
how you coming, gang?
See, why you dissing my homie, bro?
Fuck your homies.
Man, fuck your brother.
On my mama. Fuck your
Fuck
homie.
Kevo.
Fuck Gucci. And fuck whoever else.
You gonna die for them words.
Nah, come get me, bitch. I'm ready.
You a scary ass gangster.
Come get me, bitch.
Bitch, you was a scary ass gangster.
Come get me.
OB really a MC though, for real.
Hey,
No, I'm not.
that's the real gangster who we on PTI.
I know. That is for real.
It's a lot of bitches.
Hey,
It's
shut
a
his
lot.
ass.
Listen, like you.
Hey,
It's a lot of bitch ass niggas
Fuck
over there too.
Shundell,
every
nigga.
nigga on my block a gangster.
Man, you
Hey, you
lying.
hear
I
him,
swear to
DJ? You hear
God, you
OB?
That ain't
lying.
even your
On
block.
scrap, you lying. Stop
Man,
doing
your
that.
block ain't your block.
You can't even go on 50.
Man, the mole shot you up, bitch. Shut up.
Man, on Stone, the folks broke your ankle.
Damn, you let the moles pop you up, OB,
My mom,
man?
they hit his
Oh,
ass
man.
9 times.
What the
You say
fuck?
the
Why you ain't
same
tell me
shit. You
his
say the
goofy like
same
that?
shit every
Shut up,
rip. Like,
bitch.
don't nobody know that.
Your homie don't try to kill you, bitch. Shut up.
Mm. And what?
DJ,
I'm
you
still
lying.
alive.
Oh,
I'm
Doug,
still
they
here.
shot his ass up,
Ooh,
Daisy.
I'm still
ooh.
here. What
Doug,
you
they
in
shot his
him?
ass up.
You
Mm-hmm.
lying.
I'm
Doug, they
still
hit his
here.
ass like 9 times.
OB,
Yeah,
Mo,
they
why you ain't
did.
tell me that, Mo?
Man, Daisy, I ain't what the fuck? You ain't my friend, bitch. What the fuck I'm telling you that for?
Hey, listen, we gonna go fuck them up, Mo.
I ain't doing shit with you, bitch.
I love when the moles kill each other. I love that shit.
Damn,
Uh,
they fucked you up. They tried to overkill your ass.
They
nah,
be,
Stone.
hey,
I was
Daisy, I
wet
ain't gonna
up.
lie. On my dead hoe, they be over there changing each
Hey,
other.
I'm dry now.
That's all they do. They scatter other wars. They
I
just be
don't know why
doing
they
each
be trying
other.
to be into it with us. They over there
Man,
changing each other.
you don't even be
Shut
outside,
up,
man. You
bitch.
be
They try to
somewhere shooting
change you,
videos,
bitch.
man. Get your bitch ass out of here.
Bitch, they try to kill you, bitch.
Man, they
Shut
knocked
up.
your motherfucking eye to your brain. You cockeyed, fat, stinking bitch. You bow-legged now, bitch.
Bitch, you on a shit bag.
I never was on a shit bag. I never in my life was on a shit bag.
Bitch, you on a shit bag. Shut
Scrap,
up.
I never was on a shit bag.
Bitch, they fucked your stomach up,
Shit, your
bitch.
ass.
Yo fat stinking
OB,
ass.
man, nah, OB left him at you 9 times, Mo. You ain't throw back.
Man, Daisy, shut your
He was
bitch
running. He
ass
caught a
up.
run, Daisy.
Y'all on Stone. Hey, look though. What y'all say don't hurt me, gang. I speak real
This
facts
man trying
though.
to run.
Mm-hmm.
I speak real facts though. 50 can't go back on 50.
I
I
was
was
just
just
on
on
my block.
50th.
They
I
knocked
was
his
on
eyeball.
50th.
They knocked his fucking eyeball to his head
I
Hey,
was
you
on
on
said the
50th,
Stone.
OB.
craziest shit.
And they shot him in his ankle.
That was none of my homies shot
You
me.
can't even go back on your own block.
Hey, listen. Hey,
Hey,
I was
DJ.
just on my block.
You lost weight in one leg, but not in your belly. Get out of
Hey,
here.
listen. Hey, OB, ain't you.
I
My
don't want
homie
to hear
that ain't
that
shoot
shit.
me.
Yo,
Yo,
stupid ass disabled, dude.
hey, OB, my homie that ain't shoot
Man,
me. Your
shut
homie that
up,
shot
bitch. You
me,
got a
bitch.
disability.
DJ.
You got a
Hey,
disability.
DJ, who port y'all be on 50?
Man, that bitch got a disability.
Shit, we be on all porches.
I don't know
He can't
y'all
even
though. Y'all
see.
Man,
be
we
on
be on
that one
all
specific
porches.
port, two porch that is.
Man, we be on all
That
porches.
little
Man,
eyeball, that little motherfucker
Man,
eyeball
DJ,
be
bitch.
man.
wondering.
Hey DJ.
Bitch, shut up. You
That
got
poor
bowel
soldier
movements,
was
bitch.
on who porch that is, bro.
Hey, OB, you don't know when you shitting on yourself, bitch. Shut up.
I shit on you.
Man, you wanna play, bro. I'm asking a
Man,
serious
again, shut
question.
your retarded ass up.
Alright, whatever, bro.
Hey, I
Cool.
swear to God,
I don't
50
give
be
no
trying to
fuck
go
who
over
porch it
everything
is.
motherfucker ask him, gang. He can't spit facts. That's why I don't fuck with him. I fuck with Miles, gang. Miles tell the truth. Yo,
Man,
bitch
my
OB,
be
brother
what
don't
you do
fuck
lying.
with you,
about you getting blew
bitch.
down, though, Mo?
Miles be telling the truth, gang.
What you do about you getting blew down, OB?
Man, on Scribe, man, I ain't gonna talk about none that happened. We just gonna speak on that.
Hey y'all, I ain't mean to cut y'all out, but that nigga little killer right there, he a bitch.
You with me?
He ain't say nothing. He ain't say nothing when he
Man,
just
get
shot
the
at
fuck out of
your
here,
ass.
Goofy. Your
Right.
bitch
Get
ass
your
up,
bitch
too.
ass out of here, man. Oh, 50 can't even put on no long socks. He gotta wear ankle socks. Oh, what, nephew?
Who?
Man, look, Twan, you laughing.
Nah, he talking about so you got no ankle socks.
Damn, I can't laugh. What the fuck
Hell
going
no, you
on?
can't laugh.
Damn.
What I do, little bro? Hey, OB, he ain't laughing with you, he laughing at you, bitch.
Man, he laughing at your zip eyeball ass. Your shit wandering right
Hey,
now.
OB, let me see your stomach.
I got a coochie.
Let me see your stomach. I bet your ass got a long ass season.
I guarantee you can't even see your balls.
Yeah.
Oh, come on. You can't even see your motherfucking thighs, man. No scrap raid.
Hell no.
He
Yo,
said his shit touching the gutter. Oh
yo,
what?
boil also your boiler belly,
His
your
shit
boiler belly
rubbing.
having that
His shit rubbing. Shit sound like rubber.
Hell no, man.
water,
Damn,
water
somebody
Hey,
over
belly
there
man,
having
why you
shit.
letting
that.
them play with you like that,
Oh,
man?
scrap raid.
Somebody shit, boy.
Fuck out of here, man. Fuck out of here.
OB ass gay as hell.
Yo, bitch ass. Yo boiler belly having that.
Bitch, you gonna die soon. Shut up.
You don't got this shit on
You
mute.
said that shit last year.
Bitch, you told your mom on me, bitch.
My mama don't even know your fat belly ass.
You told your mom on me.
You
You
called
bogus.
your mom on him, man. You oh
Yeah,
shit.
man.
Man, on stone. If you
Told
believe,
his mama,
hey,
he
if
finna,
you
he said,
believe
he finna kill
PJ,
her.
I don't know what to tell you, man.
He told his mama, he
Look at
finna kill
Miles. Now
her.
Miles want to talk. Listen to him. Now Miles want to talk.
Y'all funny as hell.
That bitch was in that garage making this wheel. He wasn't laughing then, was he? That man say on stone. Daryl Freeman, I love you. You my oldest brother. Oh, what's like? That bitch is making this motherfucker. You ain't get your bitch ass out of here, dude. Saying this motherfucker goodbyes, man. Hey, Romo, what's up, my boy? I ain't even see you in here. What up, Romo?
What's your demo?
What's your demo?
Shit.
They got a little killer in this bitch. They got Ray Sean, this bitch that's listening. What's up, man?
What you on? What you drinking on?
You know what I'm drinking on, man.
I got a little fifth of this Don Julio. I'm halfway through it.
Where you at, man?
I'm right here on 72nd.
All right, slide on me. I'm in the 50s.
50 and
Oh,
what?
50th from Aberdeen.
Stop lying, bitch. You on
Bitch,
me.
you ain't right there.
I ain't got a lot of you, man.
Bitch, you on me. All right, go PTR right now.
Okay, I ain't finna do none of that. Y'all ain't getting you bitch ass niggas the satisfaction.
AOB.
hell yeah, this
Hoe
nigga.
ass niggas ain't on shit.
AOB.
What's
You
up?
said that
What's up,
yesterday.
Fluffy?
Hey, you gonna be hurt. Something happened to Kelly, OB?
Hey,
Man,
stop doing that, boy.
OB.
stop talking to me, damn.
Oh, well.
I don't want to hear none of that shit. Yo, yo.
AOB, you know everything goes, right? You know that, Mo? You know that whole shit he pulled?
They
Yeah.
oh, I'm just not reading the comments, bro. What the fuck? Hey, YG.
What up,
Damn, I can't smoke no blunt with you, Mo.
man? Your ass ain't on shit,
Hey, look, Mo, you hear me? You know everything goes, right?
man. Same for you.
Oh, listen, Mo, you know everything goes, right? I'm just reminding y'all.
Same for you. You ain't gotta
For that
remind me,
one whole shit, that happened.
man.
Oh, well.
You ain't on shit, bro.
Oh, well.
You don't be in no cars.
Oh, well.
Can't get no warnings about shit.
Oh, well. I'm just letting you know. You know what I'm talking about, though. You catch my drill.
What you letting me know,
You catch my drill.
man?
See my own Sharice, my why I move her. Fuck that bitch. Tell her fuck her. She gonna suck a dick and die. I just want y'all to be outside, man. That's all I want, man. That's all I want this year, man.
Man, you ain't even outside,
I just want y'all to be outside, bro.
man.
Everybody been outside except y'all, man.
You ain't been looking for us,
Man, just be outside, bro. We ain't even argue none of that,
right?
bro.
Oh well.
Damn.
You don't even be outside. Fuck, how you gonna
Just
tell
be
somebody to be
outside,
outside?
bro.
Fuck.
Hey, Dace, you hear me?
Oh, that's a goofy. And
Duh.
he is
We ain't
too.
going on May, none of that. We on Carbon
Why
with from
you
now
saying
on.
something about me, bro? What the fuck?
Niggas love saying they going on Carpenter.
We on Carbon, bro. We not touching May, none of that shit. None of
Alright,
that shit. We coming where y'all at. Where y'all be on 52nd or 53rd?
there you go.
Where you
That's
be at, YG?
52nd or
Man,
53rd.
y'all know where we be at, bro.
Man, why
Like,
you
Nah,
be
we
at?
just gonna
I don't
say
know shit.
53rd, right? We just
Oh,
gonna say 50. It gotta be 53rd because y'all third block, so
I
I'm
ain't gonna
we
lie to,
gonna
I
Okay,
ain't
you
gonna lie
straight
to
going
me,
on
DJ.
interview tomorrow, boy? Huh?
You
DJ,
said
you hear
what,
me?
Dace?
I ain't gonna lie. Me growing up as a shorty, I ain't
Huh?
gonna lie. I thought it was only like 51st of May. I thought them was like all the modes. Like I never knew shit about
Man,
no
them
other
they extinct
neighborhood.
on 50th of May. They extinct.
Damn.
that ass got a lot to learn, little
Doggo,
boy.
they ass extinct.
Uh,
Beloved block, that
I
bitch
just
gone. It's
shit
over.
flipped the whole town
man,
shit.
It's
That's
you
how I
over.
just
look at
jumped
that
off the
shit.
porch.
It's over.
I just flipped the whole
Ain't no
town
more on
shit.
50th of May no more.
I flipped everyone, nigga.
My mama, we moved them out a
From
long time ago.
54th to
Shit
50th,
over.
Ashland back to Houston. I'm through that bitch. You hear me? On God, nigga. I'm through that bitch. Nobody at that liquor store. I be giving them niggas at the pass behind the house because the Ikeys be right there, you know? So y'all ain't that deep. But don't nobody be through there. But I bet don't nobody be in front of that crib this summer, nigga.
Nigga.
So go ahead, drink y'all beer so I can come get y'all some BOP specials. OB, make sure your bitch ass out there, man, because I got a nice 40 for you. Nice moat. Fresh out the barrel.
Oh, BS finna have kitty problems in a minute.
Fucking alcoholic. Them jailhouse ass tattoos on your face.
Oh, be killing itself slowly. Fuck him.
Kelly stressing your bitch ass out. She better not leave because you're going to be homeless, you dirty bum fuck. Because I know they ain't going to let you live with them. They little bum ass probably ain't got nowhere to go. Hey, YG, you going to let your best friend come live with you, Kelly, kick his bum ass out? See that YG? He won't even let you come live with him, blood. That's fuck. I mean, you see that OB? He won't even let you live with him. That's fucked up.
Boy, ain't
So
nobody listening to shit you talking.
imagine
You
what he
talking
gonna
to
do.
yourself.
Imagine what he gonna do when you get checked the fuck out.
Who gonna check me
You
out?
see, he ain't. I'm talking to OB. I ain't talking to you. What the fuck, dude? Get your
Who
bitch
gonna
ass
check
on.
him
You just
out?
wanna. You just wanna
Huh?
be heard, gang.
You dick
Nobody know
sucking.
you.
That's all you been
You
talking
only
about
known
all
for riding
night.
four wheelers, gang. Nobody know
Huh?
you, gang, for doing
My
shit but
mama,
riding
y'all the four
motorcycles.
wheeler boys.
Like literally,
Dick
gang. On
suckers.
The
my
four
grandma,
wheeler
that's all I know
boys.
you for. You riding motorcycles. So stop
Tough
talking.
ass four wheeler boys. This shit crazy.
Hey, hey, don't forget Mr. Smackdown, bike grind ass goofy. Y'all around the city with no fiskars. Get y'all ass changed over to the motherland. Hey, YG, you still be y'all still be at Moosey House? Hey, YG, y'all still be at Moosey House? Now you quiet. It was scary.
Hey, you hear me, YG though?
What up?
You gonna do that tomorrow though, right?
Man, you been saying that all night.
Listen. Is you gonna do that tomorrow though?
You been saying that all night.
So we gotta understand, all right?
You know that. How many times you gotta
Ah
say it?
well, ah well. That's all I had to say, bro. Now I'm finna get out this shit. I just didn't want you to forget, you know. Tomorrow, y'all say y'all gonna be out there. Say last, my homie,
Hey, I'm part of the production team, bro. Don't
my
forget to let me
soul.
know.
I want to see this shit. Hey, Dexter, I'm gone though. You hear me?
Alright, check. You know, A&R ready for the video shoot tomorrow.
You know that.
Check, check, check.
Yeah.